Hello, everybody. How are you? Excuse me, I've been gone for quite some time. I've been working with my team close at hand, but I'm back. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over some of the charts that we looked at this week. It took a little bit to play out. This week definitely required an exercise of patience, which, you know, what everyone says, you have to be willing to be patient as a trader. That's basically where the money is at, is patience. So I personally think that trading can really bring the best out of you if you learn to just develop and master that skill so that you can be profitable and hopefully never have to work for anybody ever again. Excuse my appearance. I'm in work mode. This is how I look. I'm not all dolled up. Sorry. But I'm not here to look cute. I'm here to help you. So let's get straight to it. All right. Let me pull it up. I hope everybody had an amazing week. Okay, you should be able to see my screen. Let me stop my video real quick. So the British peers is basically what we've been looking at. And I actually got into this trade and it was absolutely beautiful. But we can see here where there's like a strong level of resistance, okay? Right here, here, here. So, and the trend line was just holding its form. I mean, it was just really beautiful. So once I saw that there was a retest and we had a really nice bullish candle here, I knew it was an indication to just go ahead and get in there. So what I'm really liking at the moment is that it went straight to one of my daily levels, and I'll show you. You see right here where we have some support, resistance, resistance. I mean, it went straight to it. It was a perfect trade. So at the moment, what I am looking for is to see its reaction to this level. So if I can see that it'll land on top of here, then I'll be looking for a buy. If not, I want to see how it reacts to this trend line. Just because it has so much momentum, we could see a possible fake out or reversal if it's unable to hold this buy. So that's what I'm looking for at this moment. It's just a matter of patience. If you're looking for an intraday setup, I don't have any indication yet to take this down, to be honest with you, but you may get something a little bit later to ride this down for a small trade. But I'm waiting for the retest. I want to see if this ceiling can become a floor to potentially take up again. So we'll see on that. All the GB pairs are literally doing the same thing. You can see we have some market structure, some liquid volatility, which is really nice. This typically happens as a stop hunt and then just continues going down. But this structure held its, it just held its form until today. It just shot up with the news. So again, just waiting to see if we can get a retest and taking to the next level of structure, or if it's going to come back down and break this trend line. So I am waiting. All the pairs are doing the same, GBP, CHF. These are the pairs that I primarily trade, so that's why I'm going over these with you guys. GBP CAD was really nice. I actually put an alert here and then got in at a better entry today, which was amazing. Like there was no drawdown. So I'm looking for the same thing. Let me delete these. Okay, I'm looking for the same thing for all these pairs. GJ as well, same thing, you guys. And if it retests here, then I'll be looking to take it up to this area and see how it reacts. Okay, if it gives me a bullish confirmation. Let's see, odd NZD was another trade that we looked at. And I'm just going to quickly go over this with you guys. So you can see here where I had an entry set up. Let me take this off of auto. I had an entry set up here where it was a ceiling, and then look, it broke out and retested. Just a ceiling became a floor. Simple, basic market structure, okay? So literally every time it did that was an opportunity to get in. It is at my TP level. However, I do have a level of 1.06250, just based on a higher time frame. For a TP, I'm not in it right now. I'm already out of it, but I just wanted to see if my analysis will play out and if it could make it up there. So we'll see if it can do it or not, but the trade was beautiful, very slow, but played out perfect. So what I'm going to do is just see how it reacts. Let me go to the daily so I can show you guys. So we can see every time it hit this area, it essentially came back down. So if I see that there's a lot of candle exhaustion, then I'm going to take it down to around this area where my entry was. If it breaks out and retest, then I will take it up to the next level of market structure. Crypto right now with BTC has been beautiful. On the smaller time frame, I'm trying to see if it will create maybe a bigger right shoulder for this head and shoulder. Let me delete this, y'all. These were trades. So I'm trying to see if it will be able to do that. If not, and it continues to close below this daily trend line and this market structure, then I'll be looking to take it down. What else did I want to show you guys? USD CAD. USD CAD. All right, this is old. I think this is the pair. One of my students were in this pair. Right now, at the present moment, we can see where there's literally just some market structure here, okay, around this area. And we have some volatility here, some liquidity, excuse me. So what I'm looking to see if I can get a close here and possibly take down, and it is retesting this trend line. I believe this is weekly. Yeah, so this is a weekly parallel channel, and you can see we're just retesting it, and we have some exhaustion. So this could potentially be a sell if it respects this area. On the DXY, which is something I analyzed first, I have some strong levels. They've been here for months and they've been playing out. My orange is a weekly area. My gray is a daily area, and I've only had one little push up. The market is trying, but if I see that it's having some trouble, I will be expecting it to come down, causing that UCAD to come down in the USD pair. So USD CHF is also doing the same. I had an alert here at this area to see if it closed below, but I had an idea that it could come up here just to give a better retest. If you use a fib, literally swing high to swing low, I would love for it to get to the 61 or 71 area for a potential sell entry. And there is an M pattern, and it looks like it's retesting this M pattern. So if it can stay around this area, then I'll be looking for a sell bias. Also, we could draw a good old-fashioned trend line. If I were to do this trend line, then you can see here it's been broken and retested to the upside. I'm not seeing that. I'm not seeing that at all. So I don't even want to do that. I'm going to stick with market structure right here. I want to see how it reacts to this area and around here. Okay. Excuse me. I don't mean to make it so. Ugh. So let's just see how the market reacts to this area. If it can close below, then I will go ahead and take it down to where? The same level of market structure. So if it respects this area and it sells, I will be taking it to around here, okay? Which is about 100 pips. If it does not do that and it breaks out and lands on top of here, then I'll be looking to take it up here to the next area. Let's see, yes, sorry, market structure, okay? And I believe that's all I've been looking at. Let me look at gold real quick. Is the right? No, that's not the right one. For gold, I am waiting for a breakout and retest. So I'm waiting for just an indication to get into the trade. I have been dancing around with this, which is, some will say it's not safe, but a beautiful breakout retest for confirmation would be great. So if it decides to just break out retest, I'll take it up to the next level of market structure. If it comes down here, I'll take it to the next area of market structure. So with that being said, you guys, that's what I'm looking at. Again, always wait for that breakout and that retest. If you would like to learn more, if you want to learn how I'm trading, if you want weekly webinars and you want access to a supportive team and just that guidance or confirmation to help build your confidence, hit me up, shoot me a message. I'm on Instagram, I'm on Facebook. I prefer Instagram, and you can contact me and we'll go from there. So have a blessed weekend, everybody.